Hi everyone, welcome back to class. My name is RAMONI. We are going to stretch our shoulders and our arms and all the upper body. So let's just come to a seated position and we are going to take some head circles. So let's drop the right ear down to the right shoulder and then bring your chin towards your chest and left ear to left shoulder, and then we are going to drop the head to the back, chin to ceiling. Let's do that one more time, taking a complete circle with the head. And now let's go to the other side. Lift your shoulders super close to your ears and then drop the shoulders down. Let's do that 2 more times. So let's lift our shoulders all the way up and then let's drop the shoulders down. One more time. Let's lift the shoulders all the way up to the ears, all the way, and drop them down. Great job. Let's come into a side body stretch by planting our right hand right next to us and lifting up and over with that left arm, externally rotating the chest towards the ceiling. And you can take some circles with your wrist if that feels good to you. And now we're just going to fold over that right thigh. So just coming into a forward fold, walking the hands forward. We come back into that side body stretch and back up to center so that we can do that same thing on the other side. So you make your way into your side body stretch. And you can take some circles with the wrist if that feels good to you. And now let's come into our fold over that left thigh, reaching the arms forward, feeling a release all in the spine and maybe in the low back. We come back into that side body stretch and we come back up to center. Let's take a deep breath in and out through the nose. Bring your shoulders up to the ears again and drop them down. Let's do it again. Lift the shoulders and drop the shoulders down. One more time. Lift those shoulders and drop them down. Now I am going to swing my legs around so that I'm in a kneeling position, but if you want to stay sitting on the glutes in a cross-legged position, you can. Just make sure you're comfortable. Now I'm going to plant my palms on the floor, but my fingertips are facing me. So I like to do this so I can give myself a wrist stretch here. And you can take any movement that you need with the head. And the more you walk the hands away from you, the deeper that stretch is going to feel. Let's come back up, taking some circles with the wrist. And now let's go the other way. Let's bring the right arm across the body, hooking our right elbow with that left arm. And I want you to kind of turn your body over towards the right, just so you can really feel a stretch in that outer shoulder. All right, now let's place our right hand on our back. And you're going to take your left hand, just pressing down on the elbow here, feeling a tricep stretch. You can also reach behind you with that left arm and clasp your hands together for a deeper stretch if that feels good to you. Let's bring our arms out into a T position. And now we bring that left arm across the body, hooking that left elbow, turning the chest a little bit. So turning towards the left a little bit so that you can really feel a stretch in that outer shoulder. And now let's place our left hand on our back. Remember, you can either press down on the elbow with that right hand, or you can reach for that left hand with the right hand, clasping the hands together. I need you poolside, you've been on my mind. What if you won't mind? Let's do it matter way. I like your soft side, I like your one top. You make my. Let's bring our arms back to that T position, and you are going to cross your right arm over your left, reaching for opposite shoulders. And you can go a little bit tighter here if needed. Now you can stay here, or you can go into your eagle arms. And you have a few options. So you can either just keep the palms next to each other, or you can completely wrap that right arm around the left arm. Let's bring the arms back out into that T position, this time crossing the left arm over the right, either reaching for those shoulders, or you can go into your eagle. And with your eagle, I want you to try to lift the elbows up in line with the shoulders. This is going to give you an upper back stretch here. Arms come back out into that T position, and you make your way onto hands and knees. Come into your cow pose, dropping the belly low, shining the chest forward, and we round the spine for our cat pose. One more time, let's drop the belly low for our cow, looking up, and round the spine, pressing the mat away from you in your cat pose. We come back to our neutral tabletop, lifting the right arm up towards the ceiling. Bring the right arm forward, down, back, and up. Make a complete circle, and just reverse that circle. And now let's thread the needle. Lowering down onto that right shoulder, right cheek. You can extend that left arm in front of you, or you can wrap it behind you in a bind. Let's lift that right arm up one more time. Really reach up and lower it down. We're going to do that same thing on the other side. Lift that left arm up high, and we take a circle to the front and down and back. And now we do that same thing, but the opposite way. And you thread the needle, lowering down onto that left shoulder. Remember, you can extend that arm in front of you, or you can wrap it behind you in a bind. Let's bring that left arm out and forward, sitting the hips back into a child's pose. Walk your hands over to the right side of your yoga mat. And now we go on over to the left side. Let's come back into our tabletop position, opening the legs and coming into a puppy dog pose, lowering the chest. We make our way into a Sphinx pose by shifting forward and lowering the hips down. Let's drop our head forward and bring that left ear to the left shoulder. And now drop the head forward again, right ear to right shoulder. Let's repeat that. Lower down all the way onto the front of your chest, bringing your arms out wide into a T position. You are going to look to the left, so bring your right cheek to the yoga mat. And then you can stack your hips on top of each other. You can stay there, or you can step that left foot behind you. And you can also reach that left arm behind you as well. And we come out of this the same way that we got there. So just bringing that left arm back down, relaxing the left leg, coming back onto the belly. Now we look over to the right, stack the hips on top of each other. And remember, you can step that right foot behind you, and you can also reach behind you with the right arm. And we come out of this shoulder stretch the same way that we got into it. Let's come into a baby cobra, peeling the chest up 2 inches off of the yoga mat, squeezing the elbows into the sides, little to no weight in the hands. And we lower back down, making our way into a locust pose, clasping the hands behind the sacrum, straightening the arms, peeling the chest up, lifting the legs. And lower back down. Now let's make our way into a full cobra pose, pressing into the palms, straightening the arms, relaxing the low body, and just taking some gentle movement with the upper body. And we make our way into a child's pose. Let's end our class by taking a deep breath in and exhale it out through your mouth. Thank you so much for flowing with me today. I hope you enjoyed class. Everything that you need is going to be on the screen and in the description box, including classes that I teach outside of YouTube. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more classes, and I will see you in the next one.